intervals to determine GI motility and to demonstrate abnormalities within the walls, the small bowel. Once the contrast agent, which is the ileocecal valve, the small bowel study is complete, typically 2 to 3 hours. So let's say, again, what is the radio katong contrast nga atong ginagamit for our small bowel? That's called the barium sulfate. Okay, so kana siyang ginaingon dira, di ba? Ingon siya nga radiographs are exposed at a set intervals. Kay ang atong barium sulfate magkanaog man na siya. Dili kay ingon nga pag inom nimo ana, nana na siya dayon. Maghinay-hinay ba na siya nao. So there is set of intervals para maayog yun o kuan sa maayog yun o read sa atong physician kung sa gyud problema sa iyong small bowel. Mo na set of intervals. So that is 15 to 20 minutes for the first hour and 30 minutes for the rest na siya. Some gani, just like what Ma'am Charmaine said, palakawon ang patient para mo paspas ang movement sa iyong stomach sa peristalsis para makakuha dayon og picture, makakuha image ang atong radiologic technologies. Okay, that is completed. Pag-abot na sa ileocecal valve, the small bowel study is complete. Typically, within 2 to 3 hours, awag na dugay because dugay na siya mabot. Taniman ka 21 feet ang atoong kuan baya, ang atoong small intestine. That's the approximate length. Okay, next. Okay, ato ta sa large bowel. So, the lower gastrointestinal tract, this is part of the lower gastrointestinal tract, is examined by administering what? Of course, as we all know, it is called the barium enema through the rectum. So, katong uban from the mouth, kani siya gikan sa rectum. Okay? Kay mas accessible man ang atoong lower large bowel through the rectum. The rectum siya ipaki. This examination demonstrates abnormalities of the large bowel and intraluminal neoplasms. So this is used to examine ang atong large bowel. So we also have here katong single and double contrast. Again, single contrast, ang aturang ginayusan na is katurang contrast agent. And if mugamit ta og double contrast, as per what our instructor said during our radiographic contrast, that is ipasulod ang barium, kuha na po balik, din sulod ang air, sulod barium. That's how double contrast happens. So, kabati man yung images, these images are the image of the colon. Awa ba? This is naka siya large bowel, naka AP, katong first image, and then this is left lateral. Awa ba? Na yung air sa taas, and then the barium na sila yung yes, like areas nga walay, hindi kayo radio plate na tawon because nana siya area of it. And this usually, ang ginagamit good sa examine sa colon is double contrast. Because why? Because it improves visualization of the mucosal lining. Okay, both these images are called normal air contrast barium enema. So normal na siya ang conditions. Next. Okay, so much for radiography. Let's go on to the computed tomography. Okay, CT, computed tomography can visualize small differences in tissue density. So, makakita na ka sa tissue diri. Unlike sa radiography nga, mas klaro ang bone, dili kay klaro ang atong sa tissues. It clearly demonstrates abdominal organs. Look, lantawa ang photo. Makakita dito sa organs, katong sa kanang liver nato, and then you can see the duodenum, pancreas, some of the small bowel, large bowel, diba? So organs which are normally it demonstrates abdominal, which are normally not apparent on conventional abdominal radiographs without the use of contrast. So dili siya mag-use of contrast. CT doesn't use contrast. resulting in good visualization of structure in the upper abdomen close to the diaphragm. So on CT examination, the liver, spleen, pancreas, and kidney appears as homogeneous soft tissue densities. So maura sila O shape. And then making any alteration in the density resulting from pathologic conditions. So makikita ng makikita ng physician na naay na abnormalities na patches dira or mga difference in densities. Makaingon na sila nga, there is something wrong. So they're going to proceed with further studies on nga area. Okay? So that's for the computed tomography. Next, this is a more specialized part sa kanang computed tomography. That's called the multi-detector computed tomography. MDCT units in combination with oral contrast and gas distension of the colon have the capability to perform a non-invasive endoscopic procedures called virtual colonoscopy. So kani siyang part sa specialized imaging sa computed tomography. It uses already oral contrast and gas distension of the colon. So next, I provided here a photo. Okay, so here makita mo that's virtual colonoscopy. So kani siya wala gyud siya gisulod. This is not this is not an endoscopic kanang procedure or image. This is just a computed tomography. So this is a 3D model sa kanang sa bowels na to. And that comes from the 2D and 3D na siya sa atoong virtual colonoscopy. So again, computed tomography is recommended for bowel obstruction. Ganyan ay ma-stuck sa inyong bowel. So, okay. So I think, yeah, as you can see here, it is very convenient kay maka-make mo siya og 3D model without kanang intervention or kanang isulod, kanang need siya nga musulod pa gyud ba para like less discomfort po sa atoong patient. Sige, next. Okay, so I think pero sige, go laban. So MRI, let's go for MRI. So magnetic resonance imaging. I think we all know magnetic resonance imaging. It uses magnets, magnetic waves. Okay. So MRI is useful in demonstrating the presence of peritoneal masses. So impinging on the gastrointestinal system. Breath hold imaging and MRI allows the technologists to visualize abdominal organs in the matter of seconds. So as I said earlier, ang atoong alimentary tract have a movement called the peristalsis, which is involuntary. So pag kuana na niya, that's why need of breath hold. Mag-hold kasi mo breath para mo suddenly stop ang kuan. Like mo hold po na siya and then the image could be taken without kanang distortions. So ano siya? This is an example actually of a breath hold system. Kanang gagamit siya of breath hold only. Okay, that's T2 weighted coronal breath hold MRI. So as we all know, MRI is good for viewing tissues. Soft tissues. So kung ano siya, mura siya ga-compete with CT. Kapatid mo sa CT ganiha.